Hey, my name is Dennis, and we're here at CES, and I'm in the Echo Water booth, and I just wanted you to have a look at how beautiful this place is. What a great job LV Exhibit Rentals has done. We have some beautiful diamond tesseracts and all the LED, and it's just a beautiful construction of a booth unlike we've ever had, and it's by far the best presentation of our company that we've ever had, and we're so happy to be here at CES, and thank you so much, LV. We couldn't have done it without you.